Part of snowmobiling. Today, we're out at Wolf Creek Pass. Sawyer's on the RMK 800 2017 Access model. I am on the 2010 RMK 700. Both these are kind of maiden voyages, so to speak, after being in the worked on all summer. That one has a completely new top end. This one has been rewired because of a mouse. Are you ready? Snow's deep, snowed 2 feet in the last 2 days. Whee! Be cautious, there's some stumps sticking out.
What?
There's stumps, be careful.
I'm going back.
No, we can play around a little bit, just be careful. Cool in here. It's our first kind of time snowmobiling, so we're taking it really easy. Or not. Learning to ride. Oh man, that was probably not supposed to happen. Goofy laugh. Ha 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 ha. I don't know what I'm doing. I kind of got us in a predicament here. I don't know. You could probably get up there. I just... I can't do it. Oh, I don't know where to go. Follow you. Get stuck out here first day. So I'm being really careful. No one is back here. No way out. If you trash, you have to walk all the way out and do powder. I'm a bigger fan going uphill than I am downhill. So, kind of sketchy to me. Just gotta realize, like, if I crash, once I crash on one of these things, it's all powder, so I'm not gonna get hurt that bad. Oh, no. That's it right there. Uh-oh. Try. So I'm gonna try digging this out and let's try pulling it over. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. It's part of snowmobiling.
Yeah.
Hey, just dig yourself in more. Try going back now. Heck yeah.
You can start kicking. Okay, ready?
Somewhat. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. This is fun. Yeah. Man, you about went down the dirt.
What not to do?
What not to do is go too fast power.
Hey.
I might go jump in it, dude. I'm hot. Well, at least we got out before they saw us. The good people.
Wraps up our snowmobiling trip. Everything went well.
Except we got stuck and both of us fell off.
We got stuck a few times. Well, we're learning. We built the machines. Now we've got to learn to ride them.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks
Bye.
for watching.
Go check out the merch shop.
Bye.